If you've been following the updates on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, you're probably aware of the buzz surrounding its upcoming release. There's a lot of anticipation for what this next-generation drone will bring to the table. However, as we've seen in the world of tech, sometimes delays are inevitable. And in this case, DJI Mavic 4 Pro enthusiasts are experiencing a few setbacks. Let's dive into the latest information on what's going on behind the scenes and what might be delaying the Mavic 4 Pro's official launch. In my last video, I expressed some skepticism about the Mavic 4 Pro's 360-degree roll feature. But recent footage shared by Drone on X has completely shifted my perspective. We now have visual confirmation that the Mavic 4 Pro is capable of a full 360-degree roll, which is a significant upgrade over the Mavic 3 Pro. This new feature showcases not only the increased flexibility of the gimbal system, but also hints at improved stabilization technologies that DJI seems to be integrating into this model. It's clear that DJI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in drone technology. The gimbal design, which was already good in the Mavic 3 Pro, looks to be even more robust, giving users smoother aerial footage even during complex maneuvers. This is exciting news for drone enthusiasts who crave cinematic footage with seamless stabilization. Now, let's talk about the delay. Initially, DJI was expected to release the Mavic 4 Pro around April 17th, with a full launch anticipated just a week later. However, as is often the case in tech development, things haven't gone exactly as planned. Leaks initially pointed to a possible release date of May 13th, and if this timeline holds true, we can likely expect an official teaser around May 6th. So why the delay? It seems that DJI has encountered some challenges in the development phase, particularly with two major features: the electronic ND filters and the 200W fast charging system. Early reports indicated that these features have been causing problems during testing, and there's a possibility that DJI may even scrap them altogether from the final release. While this is all speculation at this point, it could explain why the Mavic 4 Pro's release has been pushed back. For those who are looking forward to these advanced features, the delay could be disappointing. Electronic ND filters were expected to provide greater flexibility in controlling exposure in bright conditions, while the 240W charging was set to make recharging a much quicker process. However, it appears these features may not be as reliable as DJI had hoped. As we wait for official confirmation, we can only wonder whether these features will make it into the final release or if DJI will need to look at alternatives. Another interesting development is the possibility that DJI might drop Apple ProRes support from the Mavic 4 Pro. ProRes was a favorite among professional drone pilots and content creators for its smooth editing workflow and compatibility with professional editing software. So, if the Mavic 4 Pro does indeed abandon ProRes, it would be a noticeable shift from the previous model, which heavily relied on this codec. Instead of ProRes, DJI may opt for a high-end alternative like XAVC i422, a codec that supports 4.2.2, color sampling and high bitrate recording. This shift is significant, but it may not necessarily be a deal-breaker for most users. The XAVC i422 codec still offers broadcast-grade image quality and supports rich color depth, making it a strong contender for professionals who need top-tier visuals. While those who are deeply integrated into the ProRes ecosystem may be disappointed, for the majority of creators, this codec change will likely not be a major hurdle. In fact, it could streamline the editing process, making it easier for a wider range of users to work with the footage. As exciting as the Mavic 4 Pro's potential improvements are, it's clear that DJI is taking its time to perfect the design and features. Whether it's working out kinks with the charging system or fine-tuning the camera capabilities, DJI is committed to delivering the best possible product. With the additional capabilities like the 360-degree roll, a more refined gimbal system, and the potential for XAVC i422 to replace ProRes, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a powerful tool for drone enthusiasts and content creators alike. So, what do you think about these updates? Are you disappointed by the possible removal of the electronic ND filters, or the delay in the 240W charging? And does the potential switch to XAVC i422 instead of ProRes change your opinion of the Mavic 4 Pro? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful and want to stay updated on all things related to DJI drones, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay tuned for the latest in drone technology. Peace.